2 of them?
3 of them, man. What is going on here, man? What happened to them? What did they take? How is this happening? 3 people, man. Oh. Ooh. The news is going to show up, man. You got the first shot. The news is going to show up. Watch. 3 people on drugs. Look, man. They're all down.
They must have all taken the same shit.
Yeah. You got the first scoop on it, man. Because the police is going to show up first and probably a news team now because these people obviously are on drugs.
What the fuck are they took?
Wow. All at the same time?
It's got to be some kind of bad shit.
Some bad shit, man. Whatever they took, man.
Oh my god, he's not gonna make it, dude.
No, look at that one in the middle, man. He's shaking too the same way.
Hey, Steve.
No, man. No, man.
Oh, pero tomaron fotos bien. Eso no se hace, tío. Al menos hubieran dicho de que era pues una...
And they took that part charges. I mean, they got hit with a
The thing about it is the guy